So guys, for the first method, you're going to head it with search and type in cmd. Now, you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you just want to copy and paste both the commands, which will be down below in the description. We're going to do it one by one. So for the first one, we're just going to highlight it, do Ctrl C to copy it, and then come to cmd, and then do Ctrl V to paste it, and then click on enter. And now for the next one, we're going to copy this, Ctrl C to copy it, and then Ctrl V to paste it, and then click on enter. Now once you run both these commands, see if that fixes your problem. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you're going to head it with search and type in Windows Security. Click on it. And then once you run this, you're going to click on Virus and Threat Protection. Now you're going to scroll down and then click on Manage Settings. Now once you run this, we're just going to turn off everything here. So we're going to turn off this, Real-Time Protection. And then click on Yes. Now for the next one. Next one. Next one. And now you just want to restart your computer. And then this should now fix your problem.